Ever wondered what's the secret behind MrBeast's YouTube success? In the vast universe of YouTube, there exists a shining star, a phenomenon known as MrBeast. Bursting onto the scene with an energy and creativity that's hard to match, he has quickly taken the platform by storm. MrBeast, known in real life as Jimmy Donaldson, is not your average YouTuber. He's a trailblazer, a trendsetter, and a record breaker, all wrapped up in one. Since launching his channel in 2012, he has amassed a staggering number of followers, now in the tens of millions. His videos, which range from outrageous challenges to extravagant philanthropy, have collectively garnered billions of views. And it's not just about the numbers. MrBeast has managed to create a unique brand of content that's both entertaining and inspiring. His videos are known for their high-energy antics and feel-good vibes, but they're also packed with heart and a genuine desire to make a positive impact. Whether he's giving away thousands of dollars or planting millions of trees, MrBeast continually uses his platform for good, touching the lives of his viewers in profound ways. His influence extends beyond his channel too. He's sparked trends, inspired copycats, and even launched successful fundraising campaigns. His impact is felt not just on YouTube but across the entire digital landscape. But what's truly remarkable about MrBeast isn't just what he does, but how he does it. With a keen understanding of what his audience wants, he's crafted a formula for success that's as effective as it is unique. He's a master of harnessing the power of virality, turning every video into a must-watch event. So, what makes MrBeast stand out from the crowd? From his innovative content to his philanthropic spirit, there's no denying that he's a force to be reckoned with. But to truly understand his success, we need to delve deeper. Let's delve into his strategy. One of the key elements of MrBeast's success is his generosity. Let's dive into this statement. When we say generosity, what do we mean? Well, in MrBeast's case, it's a tendency to give away staggering amounts of money or items of considerable value in his videos. From donating thousands of dollars to Twitch streamers to buying entire stores and giving the items to unsuspecting shoppers, MrBeast's acts of giving are not just for show. They're an integral part of his brand. Now you might be thinking, sure, giving away money makes for a good spectacle, but how does it contribute to his success? Here's where it gets interesting. This act of giving does not merely entertain, it builds a relationship. When viewers see MrBeast's generosity, they don't just see a man giving away money. They see someone who cares about making a difference in people's lives. They see someone with a big heart. This image of MrBeast, as someone who genuinely wants to do good, creates a strong bond between him and his viewers. But the power of giving goes beyond creating compelling content and fostering a positive image. It's about creating a ripple effect of positivity. With each act of giving, MrBeast inspires his viewers to think about how they can make a difference in their own ways. This, in turn, creates a community of viewers who are not just passive consumers of content, but active participants in making the world a better place. Remember, generosity is not just about the money. It's about the spirit of giving, the desire to make a difference. And that's something that resonates with people. It's a universal language that transcends borders and barriers. It's a message that everyone can get behind. So yes, MrBeast's generosity is indeed a key element of his success. But it's not just about the money or the views. It's about the relationships he builds, the community he fosters, and the positivity he spreads. But giving isn't all. There's more to his strategy. Consistency is another crucial factor in MrBeast's YouTube success. Dive into the world of MrBeast, and one thing that will strike you immediately is the regular rhythm of his content. Like a well-oiled machine, he keeps his uploads coming at a steady pace, never leaving his audience waiting for too long. This regularity isn't just about keeping his subscribers entertained, it's a strategic move that has played a pivotal role in his rise to stardom. When we discuss consistency, we're not just talking about the frequency of uploads. It also encompasses the quality and style of the content. MrBeast has a distinctive voice that resonates with his audience. Whether he's giving away millions of dollars or pulling off outrageous stunts, his videos maintain a consistent tone and style that his viewers have come to know and love. This consistency serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it builds trust with his audience. Just as you'd expect your favorite TV show to air at the same time each week, MrBeast subscribers know they can count on him for regular, high-quality content. This reliability fosters a sense of connection and loyalty, making viewers more likely to return to his channel time and time again. Secondly, consistency helps MrBeast to stay at the forefront of YouTube's algorithms. The platform favors channels that regularly produce engaging content, and MrBeast's consistent schedule ensures he's always in the mix. This consistent visibility boosts his chances of attracting new viewers and growing his subscriber base. But remember, consistency isn't just about sticking to a schedule. It's about delivering on your promises and maintaining a consistent brand identity. It's about understanding what your audience wants and ensuring you deliver it, time after time. For MrBeast, that means high-energy philanthropic content that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats, video after video. Consistency is key, but there's still more to learn from MrBeast. Originality is a hallmark of MrBeast's content. This is a statement that rings true for anyone who has ever taken a deep dive into his YouTube channel. What sets MrBeast apart from the crowd is his unwavering commitment to delivering unique and creative content. While many YouTubers fall into the trap of replicating popular trends, MrBeast seems to thrive on the thrill of the new and the untried. There's a certain kind of magic in his videos, a sense of, what will he think of next? This anticipation keeps viewers hooked, always craving for more of his innovative content. Let's unpack this a bit further. What exactly does this originality look like? Well, it's not just about doing something different. It's about doing something different that also resonates with viewers. It's about finding that sweet spot between innovation and audience appeal. MrBeast has mastered this art, and it's a key ingredient in his recipe for YouTube success. Take, for instance, his extreme challenge videos. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill last-to-leave challenges. They're elevated to a whole new level, with stakes as high as $1 million or even an island. It's this kind of originality that keeps his content fresh and engaging. But it's not just about the wild and outlandish stunts. MrBeast also has a knack for making even the most mundane tasks entertaining. Whether it's opening a free car dealership or planting 20 million trees, he finds a way to make each video a unique experience. This commitment to originality is what sets MrBeast apart from other YouTubers. It's what keeps his content from becoming stale or predictable, and it's a big part of why his channel continues to grow and thrive. So, what's the takeaway here? Originality is a powerful tool in the world of YouTube. It's what keeps viewers coming back for more, and it's what can set your content apart from the rest. Originality is essential, but there's one more secret to MrBeast's success. Collaboration is the final piece of MrBeast's YouTube success puzzle. In this dynamic landscape of YouTube, it's not just about what you create, but also about who you create with. Collaboration has been a cornerstone of MrBeast's strategy, a key ingredient in his secret recipe to success. MrBeast regularly teams up with other YouTubers, influencers, and even celebrities. These collaborations are a win-win situation. They help to expand his reach, bringing his content to new viewers who might not have found him otherwise. At the same time, his collaborators get a boost from his massive following. The beauty of collaboration lies in its ability to create a synergy, where the combined efforts of individuals produce a greater impact than they could have achieved alone. When MrBeast collaborates, he's not just sharing the screen, he's sharing his audience, and his collaborators are doing the same. This cross-pollination of viewership helps to grow everyone's subscriber base. Think about it. You've got your unique style, your own brand of creativity, and so does your collaborator. When you bring these two worlds together, you're not just doubling the content. You're creating something new, something exciting that draws viewers in. But collaboration isn't just about increasing numbers. It's about learning, growing, and evolving as a content creator. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, experimenting with new ideas, and pushing your creativity to the limits. It's about taking risks and reaping rewards. When MrBeast collaborates, he's not just gaining subscribers, he's gaining insights, experiences, and ideas that fuel his future content. It's a continuous cycle of growth and innovation, and it's a strategy that any YouTuber can adopt. So, if you're looking to boost your YouTube success, take a leaf out of MrBeast's book. Seek out collaborations, build connections, share your audience, and embrace new ideas. So there you have it, the secret recipe behind MrBeast's YouTube success. Apply these strategies to your own channel and who knows, you might become the next YouTube sensation.